I'm at Secrets Tides. This is room 1252. Let's take a look at this beautiful room. I will come back to the washroom and the closet space, but so I usually like to show the room first. As you walk in, you just realize how big and beautiful, airy and light it feels in here. I love the colors, love the decor. Big, beautiful king bed. Very generously sized side tables. Beautiful couch. Coffee table with some treats on there for me. A table, 2 chairs. This would be in lieu of a desk. There's no desk in this room, which is perfectly fine, even for someone that's going to be working while they're here. A storage unit underneath the television. You've got your mini bar and your amenity bar. Nice big fridge. I know some people like to see what's inside those. This is replenished daily. Ooh, some M&Ms. Now I'll walk back and we'll take a look at the storage area, the washroom, and then I'll head out to the balcony. So these doors slide. You can see you've got some extra bedding if required, some shelving, your safe, which is large enough to hold a generously sized laptop computer. And on the other side, you have a place to hang your clothes, a couple lovely plush robes, slippers. And I do also want to draw your attention here. You might have seen this as we were coming into the room. This is your secret service door. So if you've gotten room service, there'll be a light knock on your door. They will slide your room service in here and you can retrieve it. And moving into the washroom. Big beautiful vanity, double sinks. This is the toilet area. The fully closing door. And the shower is absolutely spectacular. So you open it up, you can see there is a peekaboo window into the room. There's some sliding doors there. If you want some more privacy, they can be closed. And this can be closed off to the rest of the room. You've got a double rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, and your bathroom amenities. And now let's take a look at that beautiful balcony. So I head out. See, it's a big, beautiful balcony. I love the stones. Really neat, nice touch. Got 2 chairs, small table, and you can see that I do have a beautiful view of one of the 3 pools that are here at Secrets Tides.